Hi everyone, my name is Taufik, design engineer at Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through two products and also will be giving a brief introduction on how the product works and what is it actually. Hi everyone, today I will be explaining to you about the 1000 microfarad high radial capacitor. This is called a high radial capacitor because it has both the LEDs at the same direction, and it is also called an electrolytic capacitor because it has an electrolyte as one of its plates to achieve greater frequency per unit volume than other types. The larger capacitance bypasses the lower frequencies and it can achieve greater energy. It is widely used in SMPS or a switch mode power supply in TVs or VCRs, and it is also used for interconnecting various stages of amplifier at audio frequencies. This is a superior replacement to the standard 85-degree capacitor. This is superior to when compared to 85 degrees Celsius capacitor because it has a wide operating range from minus 55 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, and at low temperatures it has a life expectancy of 10 to 15 years, and it can work up to 2000 hours, and it has a voltage level up to 35 DC, and the tolerance is 20%. So when you compare with the standard grade parts, this has better features and better reliability compared to the other features. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.